welcome to my mommy's channel. My name is Muna and this is my sister
Zara.
We are here to bake chocolate cake. These are the ingredients for making the cake.
We'll be using 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 2/3 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder,
1 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder,
1 1/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of margarine,
2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Now we have to sift our flour into the bowl. Now this is a 1/4 cup.
Now this is 1/3 cup. We'll be using 2 of it. Now we'll add our baking powder. Add our baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. All together and set it aside. Now we'll put it by the side.
We'll break 2 eggs into the bowl. Now we'll measure out our sugar.
Measure 3/4 cup of margarine.
Now we'll add our egg into the bowl.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
We'll add our water.
Use our hand mixer to mix it all together. Cream it for 2 more minutes and we are okay. So it is okay now. We'll transfer it into the pan.
Our pan is already lined with parchment paper.
We'll divide the batter into 2 so that it can bake faster.
will tap it on the table to release the air bubbles.
In our created oven to bake. Now the cake is ready and we'll bring it out from the pan.
Our chocolate cake is ready and I'll cut it now. Very delicious.
Yummy.
This is so yummy.
Zara, it tastes so good, right?
Yes, this is so soft and delicious. You need to try it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my mommy's channel. Bye.
2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Vanilla.
Vanilla.